So now we come to what are the chakras. Energy connects to the 7 main chakras of the physical body. These chakras are in the non-physical realm, and they are wheels of light that keep spinning at different speeds and are found in the center vertical position of the physical body. They can be observed by psychic and intuitive inspirational sensors. So we look at what are the chakras. There is a base or root chakra which relates to safety and security. It covers family and social belonging. The next chakra is called the sacral chakra, and this is about creativity and sexuality, about power, control, money, and relationships. The next chakra is the solar plexus chakra around this area here, and it's about personality, self-esteem, and gut instinct. The heart chakra around near the heart is for love, forgiveness, and compassion. Throat chakra is about self-expression, choice, will, following your dreams, and faith and trusting in life. The third eye chakra is about the intellect, the brain, about being open-minded, working with divine reason, looking at the bigger picture and trusting the bigger picture. The crown chakra at the top of the head is spirituality, knowing who you are, letting go, enlightenment, and awareness. I would like to focus on the issue of how to do a chakra balance using Reiki, information, light, and sound frequencies. Reiki is a hands-on healing modality where energy is transferred from and through the Reiki practitioner's hands to the physical body of the patient. This is about balancing the energies of the 7 chakras, and the energy of Reiki can be used to shift and to heal the chakra. People generally who work with chakra healing using Reiki find that they have signs of heat or energy flowing through their hands. So I would suggest having a Reiki session from a practitioner and seeing how you feel. Consider learning Reiki after you have done such an experience, so you can use your own hands to heal yourself. We now look at a meditation on chakra using a convenient iPad or device that you have in your home. You can type in the word images and the names of the chakra and then work on searching for them. When you find these images of the chakra, you can meditate on them and spend about 5 minutes each on each chakra. For example, we type in images, heart chakra, which brings up images that you can browse and explore online. I would recommend being aware of the colors, symbols, images, and mandalas in these pictures and learning how to translate those into meaningful vibrational healing.